what I'd like to do right now is demonstrate importing, finding and importing that CRC online course template so that you can see what that's like if you haven't done it already. This is the default Canvas course at CRC. And so what you see here is, again, that homepage that I initially edited earlier. If I go to the modules, there'll only be one module there, which is the assumption of risk waiver. If I look at, what would be the files? I think probably just that one PDF file, right? The uploaded media, I'm not sure what's there. Yeah, anyway, so I'm ready to import the CRC online course template into this class. And so I'll talk you through how that works. There's a tool called the Canvas Commons that's linked here from the course navigation, I'm sorry, from global navigation. The course home page also has a button that says import from Commons. Canvas Commons is a space where anyone who uses Canvas anywhere in the world can take anything they have created inside Canvas. So it could be a survey, like a Getting to Know You survey. It could be a content page. It could be a quiz, an assignment, or it could be an entire course. And they can put it out there into the broad worldwide Canvas community of users. And then it's available, depending on their sharing settings, it's available for anyone else to import into a course. So because we are Los Rios users, what we can do is if we go to import from Commons, how many resources are there? We're going to find out in a moment here. 206,000 resources. So it's 206,000 resources that are been, again, shared, created around the world. For this particular thing that I'm looking for, what you can do is click on the filter button, and you can say, I only want to look at Los Rios Community College District approved resources. So the coordinators, a group of us in the district, we can take a shared resource, and it doesn't have to be one that we've done, but we can take a shared resource and mark it as approved. Air quotes are there for a reason. I don't like the word approved because that implies that other things are not approved. This just makes it, from my perspective, an easy way to filter the results. So if I select that button, then there'll only be a handful of things there. And one of them is the CRC online course template fall 21, okay? This course CRC brand shell, that's the one that's already in your course. That's already there automatically, so you don't need to worry about that. But here's that CRC online course template. I can select a resource from the commons. So anything we find, any of those 200,000 resources, the process is the same. You select the name of the resource. You get a preview, so you can take a look at what's there before you preview it. Details will include notes that were added there by the creator. Jenna, our own Jenna Trench, created this one. If I look at version notes, if it's been updated, the updater, the person who wrote it, is encouraged to leave notes about what's different there. And then I'm going to select the button that says import download. Don't select all. Don't select all, in which case you will overwrite every single course that you are an instructor in. So you can either search for a course or you can look for it. There's canceled right there, right? CRC fall 21. I only want that course right there, so I'm going to select it. And at the bottom of this dialog is a button that says import into course. You can also download the export file. You can download the file from here, and then you can go, course by course and import it if you want. I'll say import into course. And what's that? What does that mean? Well, you have successfully started the import. Okay, depending on how big the file is, depending on how busy the servers are, this may take a little bit of time. It may take a lot of time. If I go back to my course homepage, right? If I look at the import existing content page, I can see the status of the job, right? Canvas Common Cartridge, that's what I just started right now. This is coming from the Canvas Commons, and you can see that it's running right now, and it'll be when it'll be. Every single one of our courses, if we were to go to this page right here, which is the import content page, we will all see course copy CRC brand shell, because that's part of the course creation process for us at CRC. Oh, it's already completed. So if I go to my course homepage, it's still the default, right? So I remember what I did earlier. I went to choose homepage, change the page's front page, find that CRC, not CRC homepage template, but the, where is it? Which one? No, it is the CRC homepage template, because welcome is the current front page, okay? CRC homepage template, select the Atkins menu for that file, say use as front page, and then I can go back home and that change has been made.